Hello, today I'm in Mercedes C63. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Thanks to this panel we can navigate through screen display, menu. We can confirm our choices and check trip info and go to settings, etc. On the right side of the steering wheel, we've got the panel thanks to which we can answer and end the calls, increase or decrease radio volume, mute radio, and activate voice assistant. If you press this button, of course you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.